Well, here I sit, all alone with a broken heart. I took 3 bennies and my semi-truck won't start. Well, I haul my rig out of San Jose. I better be in Cincinnati Monday morning before I draw my pay. I can waste no time in the sunlight grill. So I jump in the Jimmy and I pop a few little white pills. Well, here I sit, all alone with a broken heart. I took 3 bennies and my semi-truck won't start. Well, I got a gal way back in St. Louis. I got a tall red-headed mama up in Kalamazoo. She'll be waiting for me, and I'm gonna be late. She'll be by noon before I'll be on my way. Hell, here I sit, all alone with a broken heart. I took 3 rubber bennies, and my semi-truck won't start. Well, here I sit, all alone with a broken heart. I took 3 bennies and my semi-truck won't start.